Hey crew, welcome back to Hobby Time. Today we are going along with our one-day build series at the moment, something a bit different, a little bit easier. Today I'm going to be making a Spider-Man mask. So this was an Eco Industries file and it was a whole mask, but I've decided to make, like I like to do, is just the wall hanger. So yeah, stick with us on this one guys. Let's get it done in one day. Got a few projects on the go at the moment, as well as the T60 armor. As you can see, this big boy, this is going to be a monster of a thing. That's for another video. We won't worry about that today. So let's get into this Spider-Man mask. First up, I've printed these lenses. This is going to be a static prop, so I don't need the magnets. However, I have printed these slightly too large for the mask. So what I need to do is smooth down some of these edges just by 1 or 2% so that it can fit in. So as you can see here guys, I've got the soldering iron out and I've had to smooth over those eyes a little bit, shrink them down. Realistically what I should have done is drop them by 1%. That makes it a lot easier for them to fit in. Sometimes makes them a little bit loose. But live and learn, sometimes you make mistakes and you just have to roll with them. Here we go, this is fresh off the printer. This was 17 hours for this one, so nice and easy. Here we've already had our layer of primer down. What I've done is I've just hit it with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum red. Gives it a darker red rather than a candy red appearance. What I've got here is the eyes. They've had some filler primer put on them. Quick 240 grit sand, they're done, nice and easy. Here's the fitment of the eyes on this one. Now I did print this at 0.16 layers, so there was no sanding required. That was the beauty of this one-day build, makes it nice and easy to do. As you can see here, eyes are all fitted up. Now here comes the worst part of this build. This took me, I think, about 2 hours and it drove me insane. I don't have the steadiest hand and it was so repetitious, and I was trying to film and trying to paint, and hence why you can see half of it is always seem to be out of the frame, and it's like make little mistakes after a while. As you can see, brush it off, wipe it off, new mistake, old mistake, keep going, keep going. Once that was done, just put a black wash over the top. I thought it was a bit bright and I needed to match the Amazing Spider-Man 2, a little bit dirty. Final result, very, very happy for a one-day build. Anyway guys, that was our one-day build for the Spider-Man mask. Turned out quite good. Yeah, very happy with this so far. Next I'll have another surprise for you while the T60 is still going. But as always, thanks for watching, and feel free to comment, subscribe, like, and watch some other videos if you like what you see. But we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks crew. Just a slight bit at the end there guys. This is our next one-day build. Thought I'd give you a sneak peek. That is Sauron. Stay tuned.